Yeah.
What's up, guys? This is Mark Henry, the world's strongest man. You might know me from WWE. You might know me from the Olympics. You might know me from the world's strongest man. But I came to the world's strongest doc today, Dr. G. Got me right. I'm feeling good, the best doctor in Dallas. And you know what? You might be the best doctor in America.
Hey.
But I tell you what, like my neck, we shot the video of you adjusting my neck and working my hips.
Yep.
Please don't show them adjusting my neck because it sounds like a bunch of crackers being crumbled up and people might think you hurt me. So I want them to come and see you.
Right.
That might scare them away.
Right,
but
right.
I appreciate it, man. That's
Absolutely,
money right
brother.
there. I appreciate it.
Absolutely, man. Hey everybody, it's Dr. G. Today I got a real good big treat for you guys. I got WWE legend, the world's strongest man, Mark Henry.
I'm gonna see if he can adjust me.
Yeah, we're gonna see if we can make this work somehow.
If I break a table, I'm not liable, am I?
Hey, that's the first thing I told Vince. I'm like, we got to set up on the strongest tables out here.
Well, tell me how you want me, man.
I know he's telling me he's got some soreness in his hip, low back. What can you? How far can you bend down? Let me see what you can do.
I'm pretty flexible.
You get any pain there with that movement?
No.
No? Okay. Let me see. No pain with that light pressure, right?
No pain.
No. Just kind of feeling through. Yeah, that side is off a little bit right down the left side. Kind of. Okay. This is all. The rectors are really tight. Left hip is really tight, especially towards the sacrum right there. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna do some body tempering. Just kind of roll this out, go through some other stretches, get the adjustment in, and just kind of see how he feels. Okay. Have you ever had body tempering?
Well,
like this heavy rollers?
The heavy roller, yeah.
You like it, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, don't try this one at home, guys. So I'm gonna sit that there. Is that okay?
Yeah.
Yeah, you tell me if it's too much. You tell me if you need more pressure or too much. But man, we got to bring the big guns out for Mark.
You ever come to Austin, I have to take you to my place.
Oh yeah, man, for sure. Man, what all are you into right now? What do you got going on?
Mostly working with kids, man. I got Mark Henry Strong Kid program, so
Okay.
both my kids are in it, and I work now with the Boys and Girls Club in Austin, and they got 3,000 kids, but because of COVID, you know, everybody's kind of not allowed to go into the gyms and stuff, so just waiting, man, just hoping and praying that this COVID situation goes away so we can get these kids back active.
Absolutely, man.
My Sirius XM show is on Busted Open. Howard Stern is the only person at Sirius XM that's got a better rating than we do.
Really? What's the show called?
It's called Busted Open.
Busted Open? Okay.
It's on channel 156.
Okay. 156, channel 156.
So we talk wrestling 6 days a week. And, you know, have a lot of really good guests every week, every show, basically.
I'm gonna put a little pressure there. Just relax.
Yeah.
Good. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put pressure right through here. Just kind of work that QL. I want you to kick this leg behind you. Just let it fall off the table. With this arm, reach like you're gonna reach under the table. So you're gonna twist forward. So you're gonna twist forward. Reach going like you're going under the table with this arm. There you go. There you go. So we can really stretch that QL there. Good. And then we'll work this all the way through. You tell me if it's too much. Should be all right there.
Tight.
For a big guy like you, it should be okay.
I can feel it resist, like it's
Good,
it's
man.
kind of like resisting,
Come back
it's
right
fighting
here.
against me.
Yeah, bend this knee up. Okay, so we're gonna work through here. You're gonna bring the knee up like that, and then back down. Just kind of work right along the sacrum.
Man, you gonna make me come out of retirement.
Right? Yeah, we can get you ready to go back in the ring, man.
I don't think my wife will like that too much.
We'll twist a little bit here now. Really work through that.
Wow.
Man. Good. Okay. Whew. Let's turn the other way. So we're gonna start with the QL. So kick this leg behind you. Let it fall.
Okay.
Reach under the table. There you go.
On this side, in the 96 Olympics, I tore the intercostals in the lower part, like right above your thumb, about
Oh, it's on the back side.
3 inches.
Man, dude, how did you tear it?
Doing a snatch.
Oh, dude. That's a strange muscle to tear. I've never really heard of anybody tearing that. Man, that'd be crazy. How long did it take you to recover?
About 3.5 months.
Man. Whew. Okay, so we're gonna bend this knee. Just kind of go through a little stretch here. Is that okay on the knee?
Oh yeah, the knees are fine.
You feel it in the hip though?
Yeah, it's
Right there?
in the lower glute too.
Okay, okay. What surgery is this?
Oh, I broke my kneecap wrestling Kurt Angle. I slid off a table, hit concrete, jumping out of the ring to the floor.
Oh, man.
And I kept popping it back in place because it was kind of like off.
Right.
And all the time I was, cutting stuff up. So, just being stupid. Being that athlete, I don't want to go home. I'm tough it out rather than letting it heal.
Right, man.
And then I ended up taking off running,
Man.
and it just blew apart.
Yeah, man. Man, you had a pretty solid career in wrestling,
23
too.
years, man.
Man, that's awesome. You tell me if it's too much, brother. Good. Okay. Here, we're just going to stretch to the shoulder. Shoulder okay?
Oh, yeah.
No surgery, right?
I had both rotator cuffs worked on, but I work out. I got them back to 100% range of motion.
Okay. So what's a retired Mark Henry bench pressing just
Man,
working out?
I don't go up heavy, man.
No?
I haven't went over 225 in 5 years.
That's it, man. And
You
after
just got to work out.
yeah. How many reps you get on the show? The show was
I
like
did
50?
225. I did like 53, I think.
53?
Was the most I ever did.
What's the most on record with 225?
Some people say that 53 was the most they had ever
Really?
heard of, but I'm sure that there's some of these really conditioned
Yeah.
700-pound benchers that can do it.
Yeah. All right, brother. So let's do this. Let me see. I'm gonna cross your arms right here, like that. Just relax. I'm gonna lay you back on my hand.
Oh, man.
How's that?
Wow.
You're gonna feel better, man. I'm gonna tuck this arm right there. And bend this knee up like that. Just kind of let that leg relax. Put a little pressure there. Yeah, let's turn the other way. And then bend this one up. There you go, yeah. Just right there, just relax there.
Oh.
Whew, man, okay. Let's get you up. We still gotta get the neck.
All right.
Here we go, man. Let's see what we got here. Okay, go ahead and relax your head. Just kind of just relax. All right.
Woo! I'm still alive.
Still here with us.
It's like the karate movie. You grab the neck.
Hey, it is like karate, man. You know, some of these adjustments, a lot of it's just speed and technique. Go ahead and relax. Just relax, right. Good.
Oh yeah, I know you heard that.
Yeah.
Sound like somebody crunching up a box of crackers.
Oh yeah, man. Go and get up, man. Walk around. Let's see how you feel.
Ugh. You know, I already feel my hip loosened up.
Right. Yeah, man. Yeah, with the roller, we were able to get the glutes loosened up. And then when we had you on the side, we were able to loosen up the ligaments in between the sacrum and the ilium, and then the piriformis, which runs across the hip as well, man. So you're gonna feel good, brother. Good deal, man. Awesome.
I might just have to do something.
Yeah.
Just to see if I can still do it.
Right. Cool.